Good afternoon and welcome to the Mayo Clinic Cancer Education Center Breathing and Relaxation class. This is a class that is taught twice a week here in the Cancer Center. My name is Laura Burge. I'm a chaplain here at Mayo Clinic, and I am privileged to spend a little time with you. We are recording this so that you can access this content remotely. We will go ahead and get started. Wherever this recording may find you, I encourage you to get comfortable in your chair, or if you are perhaps sitting on the floor, just find a position that feels good and restful to your body. There's no experience needed for this class, so we're just going to go ahead and try out some different practices together. The first thing that I'll invite you to do is to start focus on your breathing. We don't spend a lot of time thinking about our breathing unless we're in situations where our natural breathing may be compromised. Once you begin to pay attention, you will notice that we are most often just breathing enough to give our shoulders a boost. Perhaps we can feel them popping up. But we aren't breathing from our core, our abdomen. If you visualize a sleeping baby, perhaps, or a dog lying asleep on the floor, you may recall seeing how their bellies fill up and then empty as they take these big, sweeping, deep breaths. And that is the breathing practice we're going to strive for today. In this style of breathing, your shoulders actually really shouldn't be moving. They should stay rather still. If it's helpful, you can notice them with a hand. You may also want to place a hand on your belly, and you will feel your stomach push out and then back in with deep breaths. We may wonder, why is this intentional practice of breathing so important? Breathing slowly and deeply over time helps to do what some medications can also do for us, which includes lowering our blood pressure, lowering our anxiety, lowering our heart rate, bringing that heart rate down, and improving the circulation throughout our body. So as we settle into those deep breaths, feel them go in and out. In and out. If it is helpful, you can also count your breaths. So I'll explain what we're going to do, and then we'll try it for a couple minutes together. We'll pull in a deep breath, feel it expand our bodies. Over a count of 4, I'll count to 4. We'll hold it for a count of 2, and then we'll slowly and gently let it empty out of our body for a count of 4. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Keep those deep breaths going for just a couple minutes at a rate that feels comfortable for your own body. So we've been practicing these intentional and deep breaths for a few minutes now. I wonder if you notice anything in your body yet. People often tell me just after a couple minutes that they notice that they already feel more calm in their body. That's all it can take, is just a few minutes of intentional deep breathing to take a little break and to cultivate that calm. I encourage you to think about all the places where you might have just a few minutes each day, maybe while your morning coffee is brewing, as you wait for the next appointment, or you're just waiting to start a scheduled task at a certain hour. These few minutes can add up in your day and really help to keep you grounded. So our deep breathing will be our foundational practice for the next two exercises we are going to try. Continue these deep breaths again at your own speed. The next thing we will try is called a brief body check-in. So I will give you some cues about different parts of your body, and then we're going to try to intentionally relax them by kind of lending some focus to them and taking those deep breaths. I often give two disclaimers when I teach this class in person, and that is, if you fall asleep, we've done our job, you're very relaxed, but also no need to fight it. Maybe your body really just needs a minute or two of that deep rest, so as much as you can, don't feel that you have to fight off the relaxation that we're hoping for, but just gently accept it if you can. So again, settle into your chair or wherever you might be doing this relaxation practice. Keep your deep breaths going throughout. First, notice your legs and feet, how your knees, ankles, toes, and muscles feel. Try to relax them. Let go of any tightness or tension. Feel them at rest on the chair and the floor. Notice your core, your back and spine, ribs, muscles, and organs. All of them are working together to sustain your life. Feel those breaths come in and out. Notice the work that they do for you. Try to relax them. Let go of any tightness or tension that they carry. Feel them lean into the chair and the rest of your body. Notice your arms and hands, the elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers, the muscles that do so many tasks each day. Notice the stillness. Try to relax them further and suspend any thought of movement. Let go of any tightness or tension. Feel them at rest. Notice your shoulders, neck, and head. So many muscles and connections. Notice any ache, tension, or discomfort. Try to relax them. Let go of any tightness or tension at this time. Feel them at rest. After a few more deep breaths, feel free to rejoin me and perhaps open your eyes if you had closed them at some point. So again, guided relaxation, as it may also be known, but that brief body check-in is one tool to relax. It again takes some dedicated time and probably a quiet place, but can be a very useful tool. The last thing we will try together is guided imagery, which, if you have not done it before, is again based in some cues that I will be speaking to you, but I like to describe guided imagery as using our imagination to take us to a more peaceful place and reaping that emotional relaxation of the place without physically being able to go there. So again, keep those deep breaths going throughout. If you like, it is okay to close your eyes at this time, or you may want to stare out at a wall or a piece of art. Continue with your slow and intentional breaths on your own. I may cue you to be mindful of your breathing. If you haven't already done so, you may want to close your eyes if that will help you imagine or be at peace in this exercise. Take a moment to relax your body and settle into your chair or wherever you may be practicing this exercise. Get comfortable. Notice how your body feels and make some slight adjustments to increase your comfort if you need. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and breathe out, releasing tension. Breathe in again, and as you exhale, this time allow your body to relax slightly. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. As you visualize this following scene, let your body and mind become more and more relaxed with each moment. Imagine yourself walking outdoors. You are walking through the trees, small pines. Their leaves are moving in a gentle breeze. The sun shines down warmly. You walk toward a clearing in the trees. As you come closer to the clearing, you see that it is a meadow. You walk out of the trees into the meadow. Tall green grass blows softly. You might be feeling a bit tired. It would be so nice to sit down in the grass. You walk further into the meadow and are looking around. Imagine the meadow in your mind's eye. What does the meadow look like? Find a place to sit. You might want to sit or lie down in the grass. Perhaps you have a blanket with you that you can unroll over the soft green grass and lie down. Feel the breeze blow softly across your skin as you sit or lie down in the sun. It is a pleasant day, warm but not hot, quiet and peaceful. Notice the sights around you, the grass whispering. See the mix of meadow grasses, clover, wildflowers around you. Watch a small ladybug climb a blade of grass. Climbing up toward the top, it pauses for a moment and then flies away. Imagine closing your eyes and listening to the sounds of the meadow. Hear the birds singing, the breeze rustling the grass softly. These beautiful sounds keep you company. Feel the sun on your face. Imagine turning your face up toward the sky, eyes closed, enjoying the warmth of the sun. Smell the grass, the wildflowers, the smell of the sun on the earth. Look around again to see the sights around you. Notice how the ground follows gentle contours of hills. See the blue sky above you. A few wispy clouds drift slowly by. See the trees at the edge of the meadow. The meadow is lush and green, a haven for birds and animals. As you watch, a deer peers through the trees and emerges to graze at the edge of the meadow. The deer raises its head to look at you, sniffing the breeze, and then turns, disappearing silently into the trees. Rest and be still in this peaceful, beautiful meadow. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you in this beautiful space. Feel the soft grass beneath you, the sun and breeze on your skin. Imagine all the details of this place. Now I want you to imagine a person, someone in your life whom you love and trust, in this peaceful place with you. They also love and trust you. This special person could be alive today, or maybe they have passed away. Imagine they are walking towards you. You each smile as you get closer and embrace. Ask this person that you love and trust one question. What are those beautiful qualities, those lasting qualities that you see in me? Listen to them answer in their own voice. You've heard this person you love and trust tell you 1, 2, 3, or more things. Listen to them again as they tell you about what is beautiful in you. Now ask this person to step away from you, only temporarily, as you repeat to yourself the qualities that they reminded you of. 1, 2, 3, or more qualities. It is now time for us to leave the meadow and begin to return to the present. Begin to notice your surroundings. Feel the floor beneath you. Hear the sounds around you, both near and far. When you are ready, open your eyes to look around and reorient yourself to the present. Take a moment to stretch your muscles and allow your body to reawaken if you need. And those are the 3 relaxation practices we use in this breathing and relaxation class. Again, I hope they can be useful tools for you in your life as you continue to balance many things and responsibilities. And thank you for joining me. Have a good day.